Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Yes. So, babies, we are doing English, and you can see there are some words written behind me. Yes. So can you see them? They are big words, but we will know how to read them. Okay. So they all are long sound words, and we all know the rule. When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking, and second will remain silent, and first vowel will give us a long sound. Okay. So let's read all these words with their long sounds. Okay. So first of all, let's revise all the vowels. Long sound, okay? A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. And what is the long sound of these vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And short sound? A, Eh, E, O, and A. Okay? So today we are going to read these two vowels, A and E, long sound. Okay, so are you all ready? Okay, so look at the board then. We are doing long sound words. Long sound words. Okay, so can you read the first word? When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking. So, babies, whenever you might see two vowels like this, which is the first vowel here? E is the first vowel. Okay, and what is the long sound of vowel E? E. Yes. So, and A is silent here. Okay. So now how will we read these two letters together? E. The sound will come E. Okay. Now can you read this word? P, E, S. Peace. Okay. K and R becomes K and R. Kr. Then long sound of E. Kr, E, M, cream. T, E, M, team. Cl. K and L becomes cl. Blend sound will come. Cl, E, N, clean. Here, D and R is D and R, dr. Dr, E, M, dream. Qua, E, N, queen. Now the third line. B, E, and this is Ch. C and H is Ch. So, B, E, Ch, beach. Okay. Now we have done this A and Y. So we have that rule when two vowels are walking, first one does the talking. But Y is not a vowel. Y is not a vowel. But here Y is acting as a vowel. Y is acting as a vowel. So whenever Y comes after A, it will act as a vowel. And when two vowels are walking, first one does the talking, second remains silent. So here Y is silent and A is giving us a long sound. Okay. So how will you read this word now? B, A, bay. D, A, day. Pl, A, play. S, A, say. Okay. Like this. Now we have these when we have A and I together. Okay. Then again the same rule applied. We have got two vowels here. Yes, we have got how many vowels? We have got two vowels here, and first vowel will give us a long sound. And babies always remember, most of the time when A and I come together, it will come in between the word, and AY mostly comes at the end of the word, and AI comes in between the word. But both of them are giving us a same sound, A, long A sound they are giving. Okay. Now read this word. S, ed, said. P, ed, 'ped', 'rain', 'brain', 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 'bra Okay, again we have got long sound here. When two vowels are working, first one is the talking. Here we have got the magical E, magical letter E we have. Okay, so now read P and L becomes pl, ate, plate, g ate, gate, g ape, gape, eagle, long E sound. Eagle, eagle, eat. Na ape, name, long sound. Ta ape, tape, long sound. So I am giving you these words in your PDF also. Just read them and ask your mama. They will give you dictation of the same words and then you will write them. Understand how and how we should read the word properly, and we have to recognize which sound is coming, and then we will write the word. Okay, they are not very difficult. If you do lot of practice, you will come to know how to read these words. Okay, so now let's read your book TP 10. So we'll be reading page number 43 and 47. Okay, let's read the cake. Cake, long sound. The cake. Sam can bake a cake. He has set it on a plate. On the table, he and I will eat the cake when we are able. Okay, just keep revising all the long sound and short sound sentences. Now let's read page number 47. My dream. My dream. I had a dream of a king and a queen with me on the beach, playing together and eating a peach. This page we have done earlier also. This is just a practice. Do lot of reading practice, babies. Okay. Now I hope you people are reading page number 62. So let's read it one more time with me. Sight words. So babies, sight words you need not to break. Okay, these words are those words you have to memorize them. You have to learn them with their spellings as it is. Okay, don't break them. You need not to say it with the phonic. If you want to say some of the words with the phonics, it's perfectly alright. But sight words you need to learn. Just learn them by heart, because these words we use very often. Okay, now let's read these lines. The, yes, we, she, I, you, me, do and to. He, be, was, my, her, they, all, are, go, no. Okay, now let's read first three words if you want. Let's do these three words. Okay, only three words. Y-O-U-R, your. So you know the spelling of you. Y-O-U-U. You means you are a good girl. Okay, and this is your. You just need to put R here and then you will call it your. Your means, okay, this is if it is your book. Okay, is it your chocolate? When we so we call it your. We call it your. Y-O-U-R, your. Come, C-O-M-E, come, come. We will not call it comb, no, because they are sight word. We have to learn them as it is. Come and some. Okay, that's all. Your, come, some. And we can read this word also because we are doing long sound. So A-I, you know how to read A-I, A. Sa, ed, said. Sa, ed, said. Okay, so these four words also you just start reading. These two lines we have already done, and these four words also you have to do. Okay, so babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.